Hi, I'm April Go Lightly, and today I'm so excited to share with you my packing for 4 days at Disney. We normally go a few times per year, but it's been a few years since the COVID quarantine, and this is our first time back. Let's get started. I did a ton of customizations for my husband, my daughter, and me for this trip. I'm so excited. I'm adding these patches to this kind of backpack lunchbox thing for my husband. It's super cute, and I'm so excited that I found these super cute Disney patches. My husband's gonna wear this backpack in the park. It's actually insulated and it'll have our lunch in it. Yay! And here I'm ironing on the patches. A lot of the patches I'm actually sewing them on, but since this one is insulated, I didn't want to sew them on. I just used my little Cricut Easy Press. Let's talk about the clothes that I'm packing. Probably overpacking a little bit because I'm going to a conference there as well, so I'm just going to talk about the park day outfits and also maybe like some change into, usually I like to do 2 outfits per day. So this is a park outfit. This is a set with a kind of a crop top with like this ruching here and then a pair of shorts to match. I got this from Shein. I have this in pink and also blue, so that's number 1 for the park. My next park outfit is this Lily Pulitzer v-neck top. Super comfy. Someone got this for me at Disney and sent it to me. It was really nice of them to help me out and get it in person. And then I got this purple top. I'm gonna pack one in my backpack and switch it out. I think this might be my Disney World day or Magic Kingdom day. I need to iron these, but these are like linen shorts from H&M. They're a little big, but they're super comfortable. But yeah, I need to either steam them or iron them. So this will be one day as well in there. Here's another park day outfit. It's like a little bit of a crop top. When I say crop, it's like really showing like this much skin between the shorts because the shorts are high-waisted. And it matches the shorts. Super cute. Everything that I'm talking about today is going to be linked down below, so if it's still available, you can grab it too. But yeah, super cute, lightweight cotton. So I'm going to be packing this in my beach bag for the first day when we get there. I think we're probably going to be there before check-in so that we can go to the pool. We'll have a bathing suit. This is a one-piece from Target. I'm going to link it down below. And then these little shorts that I found that matches really, really well. Look super cute together. And then I brought a shirt. Hang on. Then I'm also bringing this shirt. I'm here for the ears that I got at Disney World a while back, but it's super cute and it would look cute with these colors. I think it would look nice. I got these cute little things that I put little letters on. That's shampoo, conditioner, and face wash. So I'm gonna fill them up now from my big containers. Like I'm using this renewing cleanser that's gonna go into the face wash one. And then I use this macadamia oil. This is color safe. And then this one, this shampoo. It smells really nice. And because of the pumps, it's easy to add them in. Here we go. So look, it says I'm not cute on this side, and then the other side I put the S for shampoo. Okay, next I'm putting my little flossers into this like little jewelry bag. I washed this so it's super clean. So yeah, just so that I don't bring a ton of them. Okay, so here I'm filling it up. I'm trying out this native deodorant. It's tiny and I just wanted to see if I'd like it. So I got it like a sample size that's perfect for travel. I've been using it the last few days. It's really good. It smells delicious. And then I have Tums here. And I'm gonna refill this with the ones I have already in the big bottle. So I've had this one for a while, but I just keep reusing the travel size. And then a travel size lotion, always gotta keep that with me. Actually, I might put that in my purse bag. And then my toothbrush and this little cover that's like a bacteria killer cover. It's really cool. So here I'm doing very minimal makeup in this little pouch that I made. It used to be a purse, but I turned it into, I like sewed this down and took the straps off. So now it's like a little makeup holder. I have Elta MD, my sunblock, the e.l.f. Contouring, some blush, pretty blush. Let's see, this is for my cuticles. Mascara. These are No Tug shadow sticks, 2 of them that'll look really pretty together. And then, you see, CoverGirl brown eyeliner, the NYX Lift and Snatch eyebrow, and then this is eyebrow gel that's clear from Billionaire Brows, Tarte concealer, and Cover FX powder. I think that's pretty, I think I need my foundation. That's probably the only thing that I don't have in here that I need to add. Gotta find that foundation. Yeah, this is cuticle cream. Cool. Okay, next up I am filling this little guy. What is this from? This is Aloha. Really like it. It's kind of stained from using it for makeup, but I really like the feeling of it. Anyway, and it's super cute. Hairbrush. This Chi Morgan oil, Aragon oil. It works really well. In between drying my hair, I usually use this. Pretty much use it every day with my blonde hair. Toothpaste for Camilla, my daughter, and then Sensodyne for us. This Unite 7 seconds leave-in conditioner for Camilla and also for me. And then this has those, put my daughter's ones in here too. The flossers. And then my toothpaste, and I need to get new toothbrush. I need to get a couple of new toothbrushes for them and covers for them. Okay, so that's good. I'm also bringing a portable razor. I might fit it in here actually. This might be good for there, yeah. Okay, and then let me show you my medicine stuff. This is the Stony Clover for Target. And then I got all of this in the description if you guys are interested in these. It works really well in this circle pouch. And then I also got this one that I customize with my medicine. So it's got like Tylenol and stuff in there, and then my like daily medicines. I'm packing up some headbands for the Disney trip. So I made these out of this fabric for Disney. I'm not selling those specifically, but I'm selling these. All of them are on the website, and they're gonna go really cute with my outfits. And I'm putting it in this like Stony Clover for Target little open top. They fit really well in there. I haven't decided. I really wanted to write something on here, maybe like crowns or hair. I'm not sure exactly yet. I haven't figured out what I want to do next, what I want to add to it. This suitcase actually came with packing cubes, so I'm putting my bras and underwear and my pajamas up in there as well. Okay, let's get started with the sneakers. These are my Air Maxes that I got from a local outlet, the Palm Beach outlets, and actually kid shoes. And I got them in a kid size that is equivalent to my size. They are size 6.5 youth, which is the equivalent of a 7.5 adult. And they fit me, yay! So not only did I get them at the outlet a while back, but I also saved money because they were kid shoes. But I really love this one, so cute. They're the same shoes, but I love them. Anyways, I also picked up a new pair of Peds, or a set of Peds, no-show, high-cut, lightweight socks, because I like the no-show sock, but I also want them to stay on, and these are the only ones that I've ever found that actually stay on. So I got them at Target, 4 pairs. It's perfect because we're gonna be there for 4 days. I also like to wear 2 pairs of shoes to the parks. One day this shoe, the other day this shoe, just so that they have time. If my feet sweat, then they have time to dry. I'm also bringing these 2 fanny packs that I'm going to wear across my chest. I got this one recently. Actually, I got them both recently from Stony Clover Lane. Check out this video here about like my whole haul from the Star Wars collection. And then this one is so cute. Look how pretty that is. That's going to look really cute with my blue outfit. I'm also bringing some hats for the whole family. I have this Pixar one that I actually got at the Pixar campus in San Francisco. And then this is a Stony Clover Lane one. And then this one I got when we stayed at the Riviera Resort. So I'm gonna patch this right now. So yeah, my daughter picked that out, the hat and the little pink and blue Rebels logo. I'm also gonna bring some ears for when we're inside and we don't need the sun protection. This one we won, Camilla and I won it a few years ago when we were at Disney. It's from the Her Universe collection. And here, look how cute. Her Universe. So the girl that actually plays Ahsoka Tano on the animated series, this is her collection. It's super cool. And this one I think would look really cute with that blue set that I have. That'll be really cute. Maybe we'll do a mommy and me photo with these rose gold ears. I have this silver ears that I got from Disney from an event. I feel like they're a Millennium or something. I can't remember, but they're super cute. And I added this cute little R2-D2 bow that I got from Disney, the Disney store. And I just like slid it over the bow. So it's kind of like my own Star Wars bow. Okay, here is the backpack that I'm going to keep with me when I drop off all of my bags, because we're gonna check in early and just go to the pool. So this bag has a pair of sunglasses, some sunblock, and goggles in there, and then like a little wet bag for my phone or for my daughter's phone if she wants to put the phone, take pictures. And then it's got the sun, so cute. I love this. Okay, so for this I have this little rechargeable fan. I've got a little wallet that I'm keeping my like license and a couple cards in. My power beads. So I just absolutely love these. I don't really like the earbuds, or whatever they're called. They fall out of my ears, but these actually stay in. Yay, they're awesome. Some wet ones, some masks. And that's all that's in there. So I just got this back from being customized and it says Rebel on it. I absolutely love it. It's from the Star Wars collection. So cute. And these are the Star Wars letters. They look so much better in person than they do on the website. Super impressive. In here I have changes of clothes for my husband, my daughter, and I for when we go to the pool. So we're gonna go in and change into our swimsuits and then probably change back out when we go up to the room. Okay, so while we're in the park, I have this little like emergency kit kind of thing. Well, this is an emergency, but the hand sanitizer, Tide pen, what is this, lotion, my asthma spray, which I'll probably be using because we're gonna be walking a lot, gum, some cords, my medication. I think that's it. It's so cute. Look how cute that little mini pouch is. I'm also gonna probably put a power bank in here just in case. So just in case my phone dies, I wanna do some video, and just in case it dies, I'll have a little backup battery here. Yeah, and I think that's pretty, oh, and extra hair ties too in the bottom. I'm also bringing this backpack the day that I wear the Lily stuff so that I can match the backpack to the Lily shirt. In here are tons of snacks and everything, so we're gonna bring them to the park. And probably put them in the large pouch. But right now they're in here, and then we'll set them up in the room. I can't wait to be back at Disney and seeing the new castle. Check out my most recent Stony Clover video with the Star Wars collection, everything that I bought here.